Looks like we got another update, version 2023.7.2, right? Or 2023.7.20. And I'm gonna have to install it, but the battery is too low right now. So I'm gonna plug it in and then we'll start the update. Alright, let's start the update. We'll install now, and to get it to go right away, just tap this a bunch of times. There we go. And the update should be starting. Usually these updates take about 25 minutes. I'm not going to just sit here and bore you with this bar just moving, so I'll be back when that's done. Alright, see you guys then. Okay, well, it's still updating, but I'm locked out of the car now. If I go to pull the handle, then the screen comes on so you can see it's still updating. So this update's actually going for quite some time. Alright, it's been over 30 minutes. Finally, it's rebooting and should be done soon. Alright, so about a little less than 35 minutes. Here you can see, here's the update 2023.7.20. Okay, not sure if much is new, but you can pause and read if you want. I'm just going to slowly scroll up and let you do that. Okay, so full self-driving beta information. We got FSD beta update 11.4.4 now. So I guess I'll do a full self-driving test and see if anything, well, it should be the same or better, but we'll see. We'll let it do its thing. Short deadline, lane changes, avoid going off route. Okay, because yeah, I've had a lot of it going off route because the exit would be soon and it would miss it. So okay, offset consistency when controlling for statistic. All right, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and take a look again. So we read that, and let's go here. So improved short deadline lane changes, improved offset consistency. You can read all of this, right? Better handling. It can predict the flow of cars and stuff better. Oops. Was that new object ground? Where'd that go? Go object ground truth auto labeler. What's that? Semi trucks, trailers, and exotic vehicles. Okay. Okay. I don't know what VRU stands for. What is VRU? Did they use that term anywhere here? Am I missing something? Crosswalks. Are VRUs humans or something? What is VRU? Okay, improved automatic emergency braking. Alright, reversing? Wait, can this thing reverse now? I don't think so. I'm confused. Alright, and then this is the same usual stuff. There's nothing new. Oops, why isn't it showing? There's nothing new with this. It's basically saying it resets the suspensions and stuff, I'm sure. You can read it if you want. Then you got the cabin camera thing. And that's pretty much it. So now if we go to software, you can see we got 26,720 miles on the car. And here you can see we're on FSD beta 11.4.4, 2023.7.20, and North America navigation data. Alright, that's pretty much it. Let's go for a test drive. Alright, so let's see. Right now, we can turn on the self-driving. Oops. Give me back the steering wheel thing. Come on. There we go. Okay. So We'll let it go. All right, sees the stop sign, and we're going. So far, so good.
Now enter the roundabout and take the second exit.
Okay. See how it handles the roundabout? That's wrong. It should not stop. It's supposed to just yield. So, no, that's not right. I mean, it's being safe, but that's not right. A roundabout, you yield, you don't stop. If there's no other cars, you just go. All right, so that's not right. But it handled it fine, other than the stopping when it shouldn't. Okay. There's a stop sign up ahead. Okay. So I'm going to apply some turning force.
In 500 feet, enter the roundabout and take the first exit.
I don't really need the GPS talking, but okay. There's no
Now
stops
enter
there.
the roundabout and
job.
take the first exit.
Right. I'm just going to push the pedal because it doesn't need to stop there, so I'll force it to continue through the roundabout without stopping. It slowed down, which is okay, but it shouldn't stop. So I have to push the pedal to make it go. I don't know how to tell it that's wrong other than completely stopping it. So I guess it's probably going to keep doing that. Okay, it moved over to the right lane. Nice.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Wilmington Drive.
And I think we're just about there. Yeah, in this short drive, it
Now
actually
turn
did really
right
well.
onto Wilmington Drive.
Other than it stopping at roundabouts, which it shouldn't, it did really well. Okay. So it's handling this just fine as well.
In 500 feet, turn left.
Not bad. Just letting it take me to
Now turn left.
McDonald's. And it handled that well. How does it handle these? Okay, it's doing okay. And where is it going? Oh, it's actually going all the way to the McDonald's. Wish there were some speed bumps for me to let it try. It's going
Now
into the
your
counter
destination
traffic
is on the
lane,
right.
but there's no car, so I guess that's okay. And it's done. We're here. It doesn't park, which I don't know. I feel like it should just find a parking spot and use it, but that's pretty much it. So now let's see where we're gonna go to. Okay. Guess we'll just go.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Wilmington Drive.
Let it go by itself. It's going on its own. Not bad. Let's actually have it. Oh, oops. Let me have it open this up so you can see the whole thing here. And we'll just let it go and see what it does.
Now
So far,
turn
so
left
good.
onto Wilmington Drive.
Turn left. There's people there with their dogs. Not doing anything, so I guess the car is going. It's proceeding with caution. It does see the people are there. And wow, it's taking that pretty quick.
Now turn right onto Center Drive.
Don't hit that, please. Okay. It moved over to the left. Now, okay, it was going to do a right on red, but the light turned green. Light's red. Stopping for traffic light. It's doing well. Alright. apply slight turning pressure. Okay.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Bob's Hollow Lane. Now turn right onto Bob's Hollow Lane.
Straight around. Alright. Yeah, it's doing really well.
In 500 feet, turn right.
So I'll turn off you don't need to hear the GPS. And you can see the path it's planning for these cars. It's a little bit tight here.
Now turn right.
And is it going to handle this well? Whoa. Okay, slow down, buddy. You're not allowed to go that. Okay, it lowered the speed to 10. So that's good. And it did a great job. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.